In today's digital world, practical cybersecurity skills are more crucial than ever. The U.S. Cyber Range is leading the way in providing accessible, hands-on cybersecurity education.
Let's build the thing that I would have loved to have had back in 2010 when I started doing this. So you can literally have your class up and running in about 15 minutes and not have to do any of that server management or virtual infrastructure management.
The Cyber Range, powered by the same cloud-hosted platform behind the successful Virginia Cyber Range, bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical skills.
What better way can you reinforce those concepts than by giving the students a hands-on experience, right? It's all interconnected. In my view, you can't do one without the other.
Whether you're teaching basic concepts or advanced skills, the Range offers ready-to-implement courseware, while also offering the flexibility for instructors to customize curriculum as they grow more accustomed to the cloud-hosted platform.
And then the students who continue on this cybersecurity journey, and they're the ones who are doing competitions, they're taking cybersecurity classes, they're doing lots of hands-on stuff, and most of those students have a job before they enter their senior year because they're so in demand.